Hey guys, welcome to another review, and today we have a bit of a weird one. Little disclaimer: these are all the opens when I got them. So the following two videos are going to be of ones you probably would not have seen. I haven't searched them up on YouTube, so I've got no clue if these would pop up. But both these are reissues, and they are from the Japanese toy line. I got these secondhand, so I wasn't the one that opened them. And the guy I got one of them off, he said he got this one from a Comic-Con, which was already opened apparently. And it'll explain the battered nature of the box. So yeah, without further ado, let's get ready for this review. As you see, we have Skylynx. He is a Transformers Encore Special. He's official because he's got Transformers Takara Tomy up there. As you can see, all this is to do with Skylynx. It is a massive bloody box, and I've gone as far back as I can with it. It's meant to have two AA batteries, but I'm not putting in. It just makes the bottom guy go. He's number 7. It's from 1985 to 2007 Tomy. So this was a re-release. I know that much, but it was one of the older ones from Japan. So there's the top of the box. For a quick size comparison, just on how big the box is alone, here is Alpha Trion's box. Yeah, he's an upcoming review, deal with it. So yeah. Now, gonna have to flip him around anyway. So we've got here all of his alt modes, and proof that this is the Japanese release. You got like him over there, and yeah, I'll just push this down slightly. Now, so as I said, this guy was secondhand, so he was already opened when I had him. As you see, there's the turn mark. I'm gonna have to take this off the screen to open it properly, just because, yeah, I've got no space to open it properly on my set. Oof. So yeah, here he is. Oh god damn it, where the hell am I putting this box? Or put it back behind there. So stickers were never applied. Oh god damn it! Oh, come on, off. Reapplied that to that sticker sheet. Do not know how long that's been like that, but that's concerning. So we have the instructions here, and here we have the two main guys. Let's get them out the packaging now. One bit of plastic. One big guy. And another big guy. I am sad to say I do not have any G1s out currently to show you. The closest G1 I have is in a drawer concealed by boxes. So yeah. So anyway, here they are. He's in his shuttle mode currently. And I believe he's clipped together like this. Here you have Skylynx in one of his modes. And let's just get my mate Hailstorm out to go and help me with this. So here's two of his clones and one of his newer clones. I'll get around to explaining his new clone will be explained eventually. It's I'm still working on the trailer for it. So we can tell you now it's roughly 3 hailstorms wide. Well, kinda. I wanna. It's like 2.5 hailstorms wide, actually. Sorry, I'm currently off screen. I'm transforming the other hailstorm because I've completely forgot to do it. Because hailstorm gets stored in this vehicle mode, not robot mode. I might have him in remote mode permanently now because he is old. Or this one, and he's like my original, and yeah, you can tell him apart. Right, Hailstorm, you ready? No. What do you mean no? Just no. God damn it. Here is Hailstorm.
Hey, I said I wasn't ready.
Yeah, I can see you're not ready. There's how high up he is compared to him, so it's like, this guy's just about bigger than him from the tail fin. Go on, Hailstorm, you just get back there. Get these guys off the screen. So this guy, he can roll back and forth, but he is electronic. You see, I'm not putting batteries in him. Mainly because I don't really have access to any batteries. One sec. I'm back in a sec. He's got batteries in him. Hailstorm, I'm going to recommend you getting off the set. I've not got the biggest set right now. So if I set this to roll, let's try him out. He rolls, which was quite a surprise. He's got wheels there, so I can have it so he just... Right, I'm just going to leave that off for now. So as you see, he can roll quite well, may I add. Now, let's use the instructions to go through this. This is going to be a delicate procedure because as I said, I do not know the true age of this guy. And oh, really? He says that's where the battery's got. Oh, Jesus Christ! Right, I cannot understand the way of the disc. It's all Japanese, but I'm just going to have to go off the pictures. So it says, pop him off. Now to open this. Oh, wait, what's this? Oh, hello. That's nice detail, and didn't know that. So now, this requires you to do that. Oh. There's that. So I just pull that entire section forward. That scared the absolute living life out of me. Now, them sections go out. So I pray to God I have done this right. Come on, the rest of it. Come on. Oh my God, that is a massive tail I was not expecting. And now his feet just slip on down. Right. There's one half done. And Hailstorm just, for example, should show how tall he is.
I want to ride it.
Hailstorm, you are not riding it.
Please.
No.
Please.
No, Hailstorm, get in.
Ah!
Right, so yeah. And as you see, as I said, these are not got stickers on them. Wait, is this meant to extend further? You have got to be joking, the wings extend further. Oh my God. I think I might just leave this guy in the box for now because I do not have any space for this guy. This guy's longer. I know he was G1. I know what he was. But how the hell is he this long? Right, just... What am I putting you now? Right, let's just sealing your wings up for now. There. So, yeah, as you see, I have to stretch now to get to my sex of how big these guys are. This one is a fun one. We just stretch the feet back out. There's the tails extended. Straighten the feet out. Now it is straighten the head out. I am very surprised that is very shiny. Ooh. Just found stress marks already on him. Ooh. Oh, he's meant to go in walk mode. So, this guy moves. You have to move you off the set. Do not like how clicked he is. Oh, god damn it, Skylynx. Why did you have to be... Why did I do this? Why did I do this to myself? I should have left. I should have done this guy first. Anyway. Let's get ready. Oh my god. I can't believe that worked. Right. I forgot I've got letters exposed, right? I don't wear the damn post-production, I've got to do it anyway. So, yeah. That was him moving. Now, turn this into his other mode. Which I'm hoping all these are enjoying so far. Is your mouth move? Is your mouth open? No, it does not. There we go, anyway. So, Skylynx. The instructions say grab the feet, rotate them back up, like so. And then just attach some more. One second, I'll have to work this out because I think I've done something wrong with the tail. Have I? Oh no, I haven't. Never mind. No, just ignore me. I'm being stupid. There we go. That's Skylynx in his very surprising alt mode. As said, you can open this up and everything. The wings can get opened back up. This guy's bloody massive for what he is. And let's see, do you still walk? Oh my god. He's struggling to move. Right? No. Would not recommend doing that, making him walk like that. It seems more of a struggle to him than anything. And there's one thing I will actually show you. That's if it works. As I said before, I stated before, I do not know the age of him. This guy is old. So, Skylynx. Before I show the hailstorm, there's something I want to do here. So if I just... There we go. All I need to do is... One sec. Let's see, can I even do this now? I'm warming this up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it even working? I do know how these work. It's just I don't know if this is even going to work. And what you guys been up to? Doing anything fun over the Christmas holidays? So yeah. Also, welcome to 2026. A new era. There it is. You see, he's got like the Orbit logo that fades in and out. It's the heat-seeking ones. So yeah. Anyway, so now let's just show you a size comparison between this guy and Hailstorm. There's height. He is now 1. Where did I put the others? 2, 3, 4. It's like 3.5 hailstorms long. Oh, 3.5 mindset. 3 hailstorms and half a mindset long. Or I should also say a broken hailstorm mindset. Yeah, this guy was trying to get a boot sale a little while ago. He also has the heat seeking thing. I didn't realise this. Just noticed it then. I completely forgot. Does this guy work? Oh, it somewhat works. So yeah. Well, this has been my look at the Transformers G1 reissue of Skylynx. Here is his sticker sheet. Very reflective. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time.